Hi, with Anam right here. And this time, I would like to share my experience how to install Linux operating system. Right here, we have a Linux Mint. So right here, I want to show you about how to experience to use Linux Mint. But I heard many people say that it is so light to use the other distro of Linux. So I have already tested Ubuntu, Kali Linux, and I don't try it Linux Mint yet. So I'm curious to use it. Alright, let's do that. Alright, first we should prepare the flash drive that we will make it to be a bootable drive, or the flash or ISO image that we will use to install the Linux Mint to my experiment computer or a computer experiment. Alright, the first thing we should do, we should check the flash drive name. So we just press lsblk, and then I prepare my flash drive that has size for about 16 gigabytes. So right here I have SDA, SDB, and MMC BLK0. So I don't use MMC, and exactly not this SDA. SDA is my how to say local drive of this operating system. So I use this SDB with a total for about 14 somethings. So it is accumulated to be 16 gigabyte, I guess. So use this. The name is SDB. So this drive has some amount of the file from my previous try to install the same Linux, but different. Exactly not Mint, but maybe Ubuntu Mint, if I'm not mistaken. Next we should do is format the content inside of the SDB. So use the command like mkfs.vfat f and then 32 and then I and then specific device SDB. This is the name of the device. So we should to format it right here, enter the password, and we wait until it finishes. There we go. We have formatted already. Alright, I have already prepared the Linux Mint ISO images. I put right here in my home directories. The name is this one, so I should copy the name in order to we can easily to do the command by paste it. Alright, after formatting this flash drive means this drive is ready to be installed by the bootable Linux Mint. So what we should do in this step, so you just give the command sudo, means super user do, and then dd, yeah, the name is the same, Linux Mint 20 cinnamon 64.iso. why I tap right here and then it is directly appear, because I have tried before I do this and then failed because some mistake in the process maybe, or some, I don't know. So this one is maybe second try. Right here it means that we will duplicate the ISO images from the address at home that I put last time, and then move to devices, the SDB name by, this is the, how to say, the block of the process that will create. So we try to use 25k, and then after that we just do enter and then just be waiting it works or not. Yeah, why we should use Linux? Because Linux is open source and then it is easy to use, I think, but not easy in certain places or certain method. But by Linux we can explore our idea directly. We can do, or we can modify the inner system, unlike use Microsoft or maybe Mac. You cannot do anything about the system. With Linux you can do anything as you want, as long as you understand about the programming or about the computer system. You can do anything. Yeah, right here I use the Linux system of my computer that I used to make the bootable flash drive, and then my computer experiment is Intel PC stick that I will make it to be experiment. I will install the Linux Mint in after this. Hopefully that is going to be easy and well done, because I'm quite, how to say, bored when I tried several distro Linux, and curious as well, and then I want to differentiate between other Linux distribution. I just want to know. I have ever tried to install the the Chromium OS by Ready. I think this is quite good, so light, but I have already bought the original Chromebook that is so light as well. Yes, we have finished of making the bootable drive. Yes, next time unplug and then plug into the computer experiment, or of my computer experiment next time, and then let's see it can be used or not. I hope it can be used. Okay,